Play and the learning environment. Organizing a well-arranged environment for children during learning and play will enhance children's development. When the physical environment is set up in an organized and welcoming way, it will influence the way children feel, act, and behave. The organized and well-arranged room will develop children's growth in many areas. Some learning environments: Art Center, Weaving Center, Woodwork Center, Animal Center, Jewelry Center, Water or Doll Center, Literacy Center, Math Center, Sensory Item Center, Puppet Theater Center, Physical Education Center, Music Center, Reading Center, Board Games Center. The benefits of playing in a well-arranged environment with the materials and resources that will enhance children's learning are: role-playing opportunity, enhancing children's creativity and imagination, flexibility, vocabulary growth, building a positive, respectful relationship with others, expression of emotions, development of motor skills, sharpening of the senses, develops problem-solving skills, develop mathematical skills, increases concentration skills. It is very important that learning through play environment is safe. The best practices for children is to engage them in play through their environment.